Okay, well, I've been doing a little bit of beach detecting, trying out a couple of the local beaches. The last time I went out, first beach I tried, I got a, well, this is seems to be a zinc alloy water pistol. Obviously, I told you some kid was playing with on the beach. You have a balloon filled with water type of thing there, and when you squeeze it, it squirts out the barrel. And then here we have a cartridge case British 303, and it's probably not going to show up very well on this camera, but it's been hit with a oval firing pin, so it's fired by a machine gun rather than a rifle. Glass bead, probably the sort of thing that somebody threads onto their hair. A little square pyramidal stud. Don't know what metal that is. It seems to be plated, probably chrome plated over something else. And this is, probably can't see it too well, but it's a piece of aluminium. You can see the pattern of rivets there, most likely from one of the many aircraft that came down in the North Sea during the war, and bits of them are constantly being washed up along the coast around here. After going there, I then went a few miles along and tried a beach I hadn't been to before, which I was quite pleased at. I was getting coins. I mean, there's what, £1.60 there in decimal, and it's always good to get a pound coin. Not only are they a reasonable value that you can spend, but they weigh in at around 9 grams, so they tend to settle out in the same sort of places that, you know, quite a few bits of gold would settle out. So very good sign that you're getting somewhere where you might get some gold. I got a silver and turquoise cross. It just got the 925 stamped on the back, rather than having full British hallmarks. I've cleaned it up quite a bit. You can see the sort of colour it came out of the sand, but it's cleaned up quite nicely, and a bit more cleaning, that'll be a nice piece. And the last find that I got was this little 925 silver ring. The dark stones are very dark blue, and there's no scratches on them at all, so I'd tend to say that they are small, not great quality, but they are sapphires. And the white stones, because it's silver rather than decent quality gold, they're almost certain to be cubic zirconia rather than small diamonds. You wouldn't put diamonds in a small silver ring like that. So, and there, from those finds there are from a beach I hadn't detected before. Found a gully where the friend I was with was pulling out pound coins with the detector she was using, so a couple of bits of jewellery, a few coins. I'm going to be going back to that beach when there's a good tide, because I was being chased up the beach by the tide by the time I got there. So that gully is definitely going to get another visit, and hopefully I'll be able to shoot some video of me finding stuff there.